Welcome to Envera, your gate access management company. At Envera, we strive to work closely with you to ensure that your guests are able to enter your community in as quick and easy a manner as possible. Envera allows you to effectively manage your guest list with full control at any time. With Envera's web-based tool, Envera.com, residents are able to manage their profile with ease. During this training session, we will show you how to log in, add and delete guests on your list, and update your profile. So let's get started by logging in. In your web browser's address bar, type in www.mynvera.com. Once you're at the login page, use the user ID and password that were provided to you when you were registered with MyEnvera. The user ID will be a 4-digit number, the @ and then your community identifier. Now key in your password to complete the login process. If you own the residence and you do not have a user ID and password, please contact us. On your home page, you will notice your name and a picture from your community. In order to access your guest list, click the Add Delete Visitors box. To add your first guest, you will add the last name, first name, and select the visitor type. You would choose temporary if it will be a one-time visit. You would then select the duration of the visit for the guest. First, choose the date that they will be visiting. Then you would select the date that you want their access to expire. You would then select the time when you expect the guest to arrive. Lastly, you click Save. You will notice that this guest now appears to the right of the screen in the currently scheduled visitors list. In order to add another guest, you simply repeat the process by adding the last name and the first name. If this guest will be visiting frequently, select Permanent for the visitor type. You will notice that the Scheduled Visitor box disappears. Click Save. You will now notice that your new permanent visitor appears in the currently scheduled visitors list. To edit any information about the visitor, click on their name and they will show up on the left side of the screen. You can now make changes. I can delete a guest by selecting the guest's name and checking the Delete Visitors box. Hit Save and the change is complete. If you have a visitor that you do not want to be allowed in the community, select the guest from the list. Click Deny Visitor checkbox. This person's name will show up on Envera's screen in red to flag the operator to deny access. Don't forget to click Save after the changes are made. Use Temporary for vendors or visitors who you would like to set up for today or only a short period of time. Use Permanent for family members or friends who visit you on an ongoing basis. You will want to add any vendors who come to your home on a regular basis, such as pool company, pest control, lawn services, etc., as permanent visitors as well. Key in the first part of the vendor name in the last name field, and the second half of the name in the first name field. If you have a favorite restaurant that you receive deliveries on a regular basis, you may want to add them as well, so that your meal can be quickly delivered in case you forget to call us and let us know they're coming. Temporary visitors whose expiration date is past will not show up on the screen that Envera uses to clear visitors through the gate, but you will be able to see them and update their expiration date in order for us to have access to their name. Now let's take a look at your personal profile by going back to your home page. Once you are here, click the Edit Profile box to the right. You will be able to edit your contact number, change your password, and add your email address. Once you have made your changes, select Save at the bottom of the screen. It will then direct you to the resident profile. You also access the profile from the left side at all times. While you can manage your visitor list through this screen, you can add and edit other information in your account. To add people who are living in your household, click Family Profile Renters. This allows Envera to easily find them when visitors ask for them by name or if they come to the visitor gate for access. If you decide to rent your home, you will need to enter the renter's name and the names of the people living in the household. Let's walk through adding a family member renter to your profile. Select Add Family at the bottom of the page. Fill out the first and last name fields. Then select the relation in the drop-down menu. Filling out the other fields is optional and not necessary. Don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. The person's name will now show up on the resident family's profile list. We will now go back to the resident profile page by selecting Profile. Now we can update information on your automobiles. Simply select Add Automobiles on the bottom of the page, enter the information for your vehicle, and hit Save. If you have other vehicles to update, repeat the process. Let's go back to your profile and add contact numbers to your profile. Select Phone, and you will see your list of contact numbers. To add a phone number, go to the bottom of the page and select Add Phone Number. Key in the phone number by following this format. Select the phone type. Then assign this number to the appropriate person on the account. It is very important that we have contact phone numbers in case we need to contact you about a visitor on your list. Once the contact number is added, you return to the resident phone page. From there, you can edit current phone numbers by simply selecting the phone number you would like to update. Make your change and hit Save. You have successfully updated your guest list and personal profile. We trust that we have covered everything you need to know about managing your account. Using this tool will allow your guests entry into the community in the most efficient way. At Envera, we appreciate the opportunity to provide you and your guests with effective gate access management. Be sure and let us know if we can assist you in any way. Thank you for your time.